Okay, now this is parametric equations. Y2 is equal, find Y2 when x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Now find dx dt. Dx dt means dx dt of dt of 80 square. It's coming 280. Now dy dt means 2a only. Now dy dx will be dy dt into dt dx. Let's put the value only. So it is coming twice a into 1 by twice a t. It's coming 1 by t. Now d2y dx2. UV rule. So it is coming t square, denominator part t square. That means t into d dx of 1 minus 1 into dt dx. Dt dx value we know. Put the value here. So it's coming minus 1 by 280 by t square. So the answer will be t2y dx is minus 1 by 280 cube. Now next question is question number 8. Y is equal to a cos nt plus b sin nt, where a, b, n, capital A, capital B, n and t, these are all constant terms. Now we have to show this expression d2y dx dt2 plus n square y is equal to 0. This we have to prove. d2y dt2 plus n square y is equal to 0. Now y is equal to this. Just at first write the given expression. Now find dy dt from the given expression. Now d dx of cos mx means we know minus n sin mx. So it is coming minus a n sin mt. And d dx of sin mx means only m cos mx. So it is only bn cos nt. Now d2y dt2 will be, again this term will be differentiated and this term again will be differentiated with respect to t here. So minus a n square cos nt for sin nt, and for cos nt we know this will be minus term minus bn, as it will be minus n sin nt, so plus minus minus bn square sin nt. Now what is the given expression? Left hand side is d2y dt2 plus n square y. Put the value here, minus a n square cos nt minus bn square sin nt plus n square into y. So n square into y means this term. So it's coming a n square cos nt plus b n square sin nt right here. Now this all the similar terms with the opposite sign. So terms will be a minus a n square cos nt plus a n square cos nt minus b n square sin nt plus b n square sin nt. This will be cancelled. Automatically answer will be 0. Next coming, now all these 2 marks questions now completed. Now we will start 4 marks questions. Okay, 4 marks questions. For 4 marks questions, question number 1, find f double dash x when fx is equal to sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Okay, now at first write half into 2 sin x sin 2x into sin 3x. Why this is half? Because we have to just form this equation 2 sin x sin 2x. That means 2 sin a sin b formula. Frame this 2 sin a sin b formula. What is the formula? Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay, this formula we know. We will apply this here. 2 sin a sin b, will apply this formula here. So half into, it is coming cos a minus b. So it is coming cos x minus 2x minus cos x plus 2x, bracket closed, sin 3x already existing. Okay, so it is coming half of cos x minus x minus 2x means minus x cos of minus theta equals to cos theta. So it will be cos x minus cos 3x, and it is again sin 3x. Okay, so now half sin 3x cos x, just do the multiplication part, minus half sin 3x cos 3x. Okay, now 2 sin a cos b, what is the formula? That already we have done in class 11. 2 sin a cos b equals to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, we'll apply this formula. And sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A equals to sin 2A. So right here, half into half here. Why? Because we have to write here 2. So 2 sin 3x cos 3x, automatically will apply this formula. 2 sin 3x cos 3x means directly we will write sin 3x plus x plus sin 3x minus x. Just we have applied the formula written here. Minus, again we will write here 1 by 2 into 2. Why? Because we have to make 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A means sin 2A. So it will be sin 2 into 3x sin 3x. So what we will get? We will get 1 by 4 sin 4x plus sin 2x minus 1 by 4 sin 6x. Okay, so this is f dash x. This is f dash x. Now we have to find f double dash x. That means we have to again differentiate these functions with respect to x. This is 1 by 4 sin 4x. Sin 4 ddx of sin mx means m cos mx, which will be 4 cos 4x. Okay, plus 1 by 4 sin 2x, and it will be 2 cos 2x. Okay, and it is minus 1 by 4, it will be 6 cos 6x. Okay, so just do this calculation part. We will get f double dash x is equal to 4 cancel, 2 4. Just do this calculation part on your own. 2 sin 6x minus you will get it minus sin 4x minus sin 2x. This will be the answer. Space is not enough, so I have not shown the calculation part. You can do on your own. Okay, coming with the next sum. Next sum number fx equals to x square root of a square minus x square. Question is same, find f double dash x. Okay, now fx equals to this. This is given to us. Since this square root is there, we know when square root existence, and at first we have to just do the squaring both the sides. Just find square part. That means fx whole square. So what we will write? Fx whole square. Write this, and it will be x square. Square root square means only the term inside the root. Under root, that part is there, that we can write when it is squaring. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. What we will write? Fx whole square. So it will be 2fx into f dash x by chain rule, and this is again the product rule. What we will write? X square ddx of a square minus x square plus a square minus x square ddx of x square. Okay, so x square ddx of this is coming only minus 2x, as a square part will be 0, it is coming minus 2x, and it will be a square minus x square, and it will be again 2x. So what we will get? We will get minus 2x cube plus 2a square x minus 2x cube. So it will be 2a square x minus 4x cube. This is f dash x. So we can write f dash x is equal to this divided by 2fx. This divided by 2fx. We can put the value here 2fx. We can put the value here. So put the value. We can put the value here. Just put the value there, and we will get f dash x is equal to a square minus 2x square by square root of a square minus x square. Now find f double dash x. F double dash x means again the same rule. U by v. denominator part will be square. Square of the square root, will be only a square minus x square, and same as before. This square into d dx of minus into d dx of, okay, do this calculation part, only calculation part is there. We get x into 2x square minus 3s square. At last we will get x square whole to the power 3 by 2. The explanation part already I have done, and the calculation part that is given in the PDF. You just see the PDF, you can find it. At first you will do on your own. You will try at first, then you see the PDF. Okay.